Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I got this hair look. I like to think of it as a beachy, textured blowout. You get a lot of body, a lot of movement, but none of the frizz. And that is thanks to IGK's newest product called Good Behavior. I have partnered with them on today's video to show you exactly how this product works. It essentially mimics a keratin treatment in a can. You get benefits such as faster drying time, frizz protection, as well as taming and calming your curls, but you don't have to deal with the commitment of a keratin treatment, the cost, or the damage. I absolutely love the concept of this product because it really gives you the freedom to change up your look. You can wear it straight for a few days and then go right back to curly. You don't have to make that long-term commitment to change your hair texture, but you still get to play around and rock a lot of different styles. So if you would like to see how I used this product along with a few others to get this look, then just keep on watching. You want to make sure that you're starting with damp towel dried hair. I've been letting my hair sit in the towel for about 20 minutes since getting out of the shower, and then I'm going to go ahead and detangle using my Tangle Teaser just to make sure that any product we apply is going to evenly coat my strands. Then it's time to go in with IGK's Good Behavior Smoothing Spray. It uses a spirulina protein and innovating bonding polymers to give you smooth and shiny hair just like a keratin treatment would. And because it is important to coat every single strand, I apply the product in small sections and then I make sure to spray from root to tip. And then you want to do a final comb through just to make sure that the product is distributed evenly. So for this first part of the video, I'm just going to be applying Good Behavior to one side of my head so you can really see the difference of styling with and without the product. I will go back in later on after you guys see the difference to fix the other side of my head for the final style, but you can really see once my hair is blow dried the difference between the side where I applied product and the side where I did not. So when blow drying, I do primarily use a round brush, but when I use Good Behavior, it does allow me to do a little bit more rough blow drying with sleeker results, and the drying time is also cut down quite a bit. Good Behavior also will offer 24-hour frizz protection as well as 450-degree heat protection. So now that I finished the side of my hair that does contain Good Behavior, I'm moving on to the side without any product, and my hair is just not blow drying as smoothly as the other side. I'm trying really hard to get similar results, but it's so much easier to blow dry with Good Behavior than without. And you can see here on the side of my hair that I'm holding up, there's much more frizz. It's much poofier looking, and it's almost like the ends aren't sealed or anything, whereas on the other side it looks much more sleek and shiny. So like I said, I did go ahead and fix my hair, so both sides now contain Good Behavior, and you can see I have a nice sleek blowout. So now that we have a nice frizz-free blowout, it's time to style my hair. I'm going in with Mistress, which is a conditioning balm, and I'm using this to add a piecey texture to my hair and to help form those beachy waves. It's also very hydrating, so this really feels fantastic, and it also smells so good. So after I've applied this product all over, I'm going to put my hair in a top knot, and I'm going to let this sit while I complete my makeup, and this is just going to help those waves to start to form without using any additional heat. So after taking my hair out of the top knot, you can see we have some really nice natural texture going on without any frizz. So to add a little bit more texture and volume, I'm going in with IGK's Direct Flight Dry Shampoo. I'm spraying this throughout the length of my hair as well as at my roots. And as I mentioned, I'm just doing this for a little bit more texture. And of course, when you blow dry your hair, you really want to try to extend your style. And for that, you can go ahead and use IGK's First Class Dry Shampoo. This is going to give your hair a bit of a deeper clean and really refresh your scalp. So that is going to complete today's hair tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about this beachy blowout style. Would you rock it? I love it. I think it's so pretty and soft and romantic. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.